And you can keep recording on this.
Okay.
Whatever I don't like. Okay. Today I'm going to show you how to use a math strategy known as unknown partners. And we're also going to teach you how to do a strategy called Math Mountains. Now, we're going to use number 2 as an example. It says, Allie is building a model boat from toothpicks. Yesterday, Allie used some toothpicks to start her model. And I'm going to stop right there because I heard a word where it says some. And that tells me that I have an unknown partner that I'm going to be looking at. So I'm just going to draw a little box right here. And this is my unknown partner. And I'll keep reading. Today, she added 398 toothpicks to finish the model. The finished model has 1,123 toothpicks. How many toothpicks did Allie use yesterday? So I start at the beginning. I'm going to work in order. And it said yesterday, Allie used some toothpicks to start her model. This box represents some. Then it says she added 398 toothpicks to finish the model. Right here, we know this word added means that we're going to use addition. And she added 398 toothpicks to this unknown partner that we have right there. As we continue reading, the finished model has 1,123 toothpicks. So we know at the end, our final model has 1,123 toothpicks. Now, with my unknown partner in this box, I have to figure out what number I can use to add 398 to get our final answer. So I can set it up as 1,123, and this is where I can separate this, and I'll come back, but we'll use a Math Mountain strategy. And we know that the biggest number, our final answer, goes at the top of our Math Mountain, and on each side we have the two numbers that we need to add together to reach the top of the mountain. So one number that we know for sure is 398. And we need to know what we can add to 398 to reach 1,123. Now, if I were to start at the top of the mountain at 1,123, I could use subtraction, which is an inverse relationship, to subtract 398 and figure out this box down here. So we'll do 1,123 minus 398, and we'll use subtraction. 3 minus 8, I'm unable to do that, so I have to borrow from the tens. That'll leave me with 1 10, and I'll bring the other 10 over to make 13 ones. 13 minus 8 is 5. 1 minus 9, I'm unable to do that, so I have to borrow from my hundreds. Becomes 0 hundredths, and now I have 11 tens. 11 tens minus 9 tens equals 2 tens. 0 minus 3, I'm unable to do that. I have to borrow from my thousands. I'll have 0 thousands left, and I'm moving over 10. So this will become 10 hundredths. 10 hundredths minus 3 hundredths equals 7 hundredths. So this means my final answer, 725, can go right in here in my Math Mountain. And my unknown partner is 725. So for our answer, we can write 725 toothpicks. Now, to expand on the Math Mountain just a moment, since we have our final answer of 1,123, and we know that the two bottom numbers can be added together, I should be able to just look at this and say 1,123 minus 398 is equal to 725. And if I were to switch it around, 1,123 minus 725 will give me 398. And when you check your answer, you can give yourself a star.